Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Today I'm bringing you along for my realistic winter morning routine. And this is my routine when I get up and go to work. Nothing fancy, nothing perfect, just how I actually start my mornings in December. Let's get into it. Most winter mornings start early for me. I get up at 4:45 and I just get right up. I wish I could hit snooze, but if I do, I would stay in bed and have to call out of work. It's cold, it's dark, and your girl is tired, but I just push through and do my best to get it done. I'm up in the mornings, but only kind of. Sometimes I'm doing my morning routine with my eyes half open to get whatever extra rest I can get. So first thing I do is turn on my lights because it's 0 dark 30 when I wake up. I don't see the sun until after I get to work. So this is just a little bit to wake my brain up and get me ready for the day and say, hey girl, time to go to work. I wish my mornings during the week could be slow, but they are as slow as they can be to help me get to work on time before the chaos starts. Now, one thing for me is skincare. I have to do a little bit of something because the winter can have my skin fighting for its life. So one thing that's very important is to keep it clean and to keep it moisturized to make sure that I am staying hydrated. So it is very simple. In the mornings, I usually just splash a little bit of water on my face, maybe do a light cleanse, and use a moisturizer with SPF because even though it's wintertime, I still have to protect my skin from the sun rays. And when getting dressed in the winter, it's been super cold these past few weeks. Today was kind of easy because it's Spirit Week and we wore all white. But I made sure to layer because I want to stay warm and my classroom can get cold as well. So I want to make sure that I look good, actually look like a human, and have on the winter layers. And this is my realistic teacher makeup. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes and I keep it very simple during this time of the year. During Vlogmas, I may do a little bit more if I know that I'm recording content, so I can always be camera ready, but it's just a simple skin tint, always concealer, brows, mascara, but I don't need to because lashes, and maybe an eyeshadow look, and some blush just to add a little bit of color to my face because since I get up so early, I can sometimes still look a little tired, so the blush and concealer really make me look awake. Once I'm ready, I head to the kitchen and start to get lunch and snacks together for myself and Ellery because I have to drop her off and her sitter is actually kinda on my way to work. Sometimes I wish I could make some coffee or something in the morning, but that's only if I get through my routine quickly. But again, your girl is tired. So I'm moving slow. As long as I get the important stuff done, that is all that matters. And making sure that Ellery has her breakfast, lunch, and snacks for the day. And before I even wake her up, I go ahead and load everything into the car. Once I get myself ready and put everything in the car, I'll go back upstairs. I'll get Ellery. I try not to wake her up. Sometimes she wakes up on her own. But for the most part, she'll stay asleep while I change her diaper and get her dressed for the day. I go and kiss Dad, put her in the car seat, get my coat on because like I said, it's below 30 degrees, and get us loaded up in the car and head on to work. My first stop is to drop her off at the sitter, which I feel so bad about waking Miss Barbara up so early in the morning, but I'm so grateful for her. and for watching and taking care of Ellery. And then I leave Miss Barbara's house and I head on to work, and most of the times in the car I'm listening to a book. If I'm really sleepy, I'll turn on some music. Get to my classroom, set the mood for the holiday season, plugging in my lights, turning on the lamp, keeping the lights down low, because none of us, including the kids, are fully awake before 7 o'clock. And I like to turn on a nice music playlist. And since it's the holidays, I've been having winter cozy vibes and Christmas music playing. And before the kids come in, that's my time. Typically, that's when I'll eat my breakfast. Unless I'm running late, I'll eat it while they're walking in the door. But today I actually had time to warm it up and eat it before they came in. Now, breakfast is always going to be something quick. Today, I actually had time to kind of prep my breakfast before I got to work. So usually for me, it's going to be oatmeal or yogurt and Belvita biscuits. And it's giving survival mode, but we're here. As long as I eat. Eating something in the morning is a non-negotiable for me. And I do my best to make sure that I remember to call my mom every morning. That's a part of our routine. We talk for a little bit to get our day started and just to say good morning and we love each other and spill any gossip or tea or give me updates. And that is it for my morning routine. The bell rings and it's time to start my day. And that's the morning. It's not really cozy. It's fast-paced, simple, and kind of chaotic, but it works for me. I've gotten into some sort of a routine. All right, y'all, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me for my teacher early morning winter routine today. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18. Bye, y'all.